Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade Training from MarketSecrets. If you're interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions in the last few weeks, which is how to get the order ID of the recently placed order. So I have placed an order, but how to get the order ID through the script automatically immediately after placing that order. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. So let's first place an order. Okay, order response. Okay, so I'll have my orders response in this particular variable. So I'm capturing it. So I'm going to use my client function dot place order to place an order. So I'm going to mention the order type as normal order, and what else we generally pass? Instrument token, right? Instrument token 1900 SPI I'm going to trade, and transaction type will be buy, and price or quantity, right? Quantity can be 1 and price can be 550 rupees. Okay, so once I have it, what I can do is like I can use the get order ID function. Okay, there is a another function which is called get order ID. So you can use my client API to call that function get order ID, and what you need to pass the response from this place order method. If you pass it, it will return the order ID for that recently placed order. So you can order ID, new order ID or something. You can give anything. Okay, new order ID equal to. Okay, so now we'll get the new order ID. Now you can print it, print the order ID. Okay, so if we get the run method, we should get the order ID now. So you have the order ID printed in the response. So in the UI also you'll be able to see this new order being placed. So let's go, and actually there are two orders. Maybe I think one was placed earlier. So 66718, 66718, yeah. So we see the order now. So this is the recently placed order. So this is how you need to get the order ID. If you have any queries on this, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe button if you find this video useful. Thank you.